फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका एसकेडी एडू स्टार में। आज हम लोग एडवांस पेमेंट ऑफ टैक्स के बारे में जानेंगे। इनकम टैक्स का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट है एडवांस पेमेंट ऑफ टैक्स। एडवांस पेमेंट ऑफ टैक्स क्या है? जब भी फाइनेंशियल ईयर एंड होता है विच इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 1 अप्रैल टू 31 मार्च, जब भी एंड होता है उसके बाद हम लोग रिटर्न फाइलिंग करते हैं। बट एडवांस टैक्स इनकम टैक्स में क्या होता है, ईयर एंड होने से पहले ही हम लोग इनकम टैक्स पे करते हैं इन एडवांस टू डिपार्टमेंट। एडवांस इनकम टैक्स, व्हाट इज इट? एडवांस टैक्स रिफर टू द टैक्स टू बी डिपोजिटेड बाय द टैक्स पेयर with the income tax department during year without waiting for the end of the year. This is to ensure that the government is able to collect tax more uniformly throughout the year. So while the government collects tax source by mandatorily applying TDS, in some cases a person income through taxable does not attract full TDS rate and hence the person can claim income tax refund. So अगर आप एडवांस टैक्स पे कर भी रहे हैं और आपका फाइनल रिटर्न पे कोई भी टैक्स नहीं बनता या मोर और लेस एडवांस टैक्स से कम टैक्स पड़ता है, तो आप अपने टैक्स का रिफंड ले सकते हैं। इफ़ आपका टैक्सेस ज़्यादा बनता है एडवांस टैक्स से, तो आपको मोर टैक्सेस पे करना पड़ेगा। इन सम केसेस TDS deducted may be less than the total tax liability for the year. In all such cases, advance tax has been to be deposited. So it is very crucial to pay advance tax to the department. Now we are moving towards advance tax payment criteria. So what are the basis of advance tax payment and what are the different criteria to pay advance tax to the department? As we all know, it is chargeable to certain person and certain limits. So advance tax payment criteria. If your total tax liability after adjusting for TDS is tax deducted at source exceed rupees 10,000, in that case, in the financial year, then you must pay advance tax. Advance tax applies to all taxpayers including salaried, freelancers, professional and senior citizens also. However, if senior citizens who are above 60 years of age and do not have or run a business, like they do not have a PGBP, profit and gains of business and professional income, they are exempted from paying advance tax. While calculating the advance tax, you need to include income from all other sources for the current year under various income heads. Now we are going towards to the person who do not have to pay advance tax. As we know, 60 years plus person having no income of PGBP doesn't have to pay advance tax. In same case, salaried individual under TDS net are not required to pay advance tax on income from salary. However, they may still need to pay advance tax on the income from other sources such as interest, capital gain, rent and other non-salary income. If the TDS deducted is more than tax payable for the year, one is exempted from paying advance tax. Now we are covering the dates and the rate which are applicable to. You are seeing it. So there are different dates like 15th June, 15th September, 15th December and 15th March. So in case of company and all other SSC, 15% of advance tax for 15 June, 15 September, 45%, 15 December, 75% and for March ending 15th, there is 100% of advance tax liability to be paid to government. Now we are moving towards how to pay advance tax. It is an important part. When you know your liability is to be done, then how you pay it. So how to pay advance tax? You can pay advance tax using the tax payment challan at the bank branches implemented with the income tax department. Advance tax can be deposited with the State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Indian Bank and other authorized banks. There are over 926 branches in the Indian that can accept advance tax payment. So there are 926 branches. At present, advance tax can also be paid through the NDSL, National Depository Security Limited website. That is all my friend. Please subscribe the channel, and it is very important to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.